Sa darating na halalan, huwag po nating kakalimutan na love tayo ni SK Chairman. Ito na ang ating SK Chairman. Palapit na botohan SK Chairman. Panlilibre yan si SK Food Trip lang baka naman i-mention nyo na si mapagmahal na SK Chairman.
Bro, is that me? I'm Filipino. But look, our house. Look, sweet. I better go quick. It's a month. Bye guys. I'm going out.